Hey hustlers! Ever spent hours writing emails, ads, or client proposals, only to get crickets? Yeah, me too. It's like trying to teach my dog to make me money on the stock market, it's just not happening. But what if I told you there's a way to automate all that boring stuff and actually make it rain? Today, I'm diving into the world of prompt engineering. Now before you click away thinking it's some boring tech stuff, trust me, this is your secret weapon to making AI your personal money printing machine. We're talking about turning ChatGPT into your 24/7 hustle buddy. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be able to write prompts so good, AI will be begging to make you money. Let's go! Okay, first things first, what in the world is prompt engineering? It sounds complicated, but I promise it's not. Basically, it's just learning how to talk to AI in a way that gets you what you want. You see, you can't just walk up to ChatGPT and be like, yo, make me some money, it's not a magic genie. Well, actually it kind of is, but genies need clear instructions, right? You gotta tell it exactly what you want. Think of it like this. If you told me to make you a sandwich, the first thing I'm gonna ask is, what kind of sandwich, man? Do you want a PB&J, a cheesesteak, maybe a taco? See, I need specifics, that's where the 5 W's come in. This is your prompt engineering cheat code, people. Whenever you're talking to AI, tell it who it's for, what you want, when, where it's used, and why. Let me give you an example. A bad prompt would be, write a sales email. Dude, AI is gonna be like, about what? Who am I emailing? What are we selling? But check out this good prompt. Write a fun 200-word email for a pet grooming business targeting millennial dog moms. The goal is to book more $60 nail trims with a 10% off promo. See the difference? It's specific, it's detailed, and it tells the AI exactly what you want. That's how you make prompt engineering work for you. Alright, now that you know the basics, let's get into the good stuff prompts that actually make you money. And because I love you guys, I'm giving you my top 3, absolutely free. Hack number 1, the money prompt for freelancers. If you're freelancing on Upwork, Fiverr, whatever, this prompt is your new best friend. Write this down. Act as a your niche expert. Write a persuasive Upwork proposal for service targeting, client type. Include 3 pain points they hate, how I solve them, a limited time offer. Let's break it down. You're telling the AI to act as an expert in your field, whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a virtual assistant, whatever. Then, you're telling it to write a proposal for a specific service you offer, targeting your ideal client. And the best part? You're making it irresistible by highlighting their pain points, offering solutions, and throwing in a limited time offer. Boom! Instant edge over 90% of the competition. Hack number 2, the small business ads on steroids prompt. This one's for all my entrepreneurs out there. If you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, any kind of ads, listen up. This prompt will make your ads pop off the screen and have customers throwing money at you. Here it is. Generate 5 Facebook ad hooks for product. Use urgent language and emoji bursts. Include USP, discount, CTA. Test these out and thank me later when your conversion rates skyrocket. And finally, hack number 3, the lazy passive income prompt. This one's for all my people who want to make money while they sleep. Seriously, who doesn't love passive income? Here's the prompt. List 10 digital products I can sell with AI, no inventory. Include demand, tools needed, profit margins. See, AI can even come up with business ideas for you. Once you've got your list, you can use AI to create the products, market them, and even handle customer service. It's like having a whole team of robots working for you 24/7. Chapter 3. Avoid these prompt disasters. Now before you run off and start creating your own AI money-making empire, let me warn you, AI can be a powerful tool, but it can also backfire if you're not careful. I've seen it happen. People get lazy with their prompts, and the AI spits out some seriously cringeworthy stuff. Like this one guy I know who used ChatGPT to write his Tinder bio. It said, I enjoy long walks to the fridge. Needless to say, he didn't get many matches. So, here are a few pro tips to avoid prompt disasters. Number 1, avoid vagueness at all costs. Don't just say write a blog post. AI might take you literally and write about actual logs. Be specific. Tell it what the blog post is about, who it's for, and what you want to achieve with it. Number 2, set some guardrails. Don't just tell AI to sound human. You might end up with something like, hey fellow kids, yeets into DMs. Not good. Instead use tone modifiers like professional but friendly or sarcastic humor for Gen Z. And finally, number 3, always double check the output. AI is still learning, and it's not perfect. So before you hit that publish button, make sure the content is accurate, engaging, and reflects your brand. Chapter 4. Stack your AI money system. Alright, now that you know the do's and don'ts of prompt engineering, let's talk about how to scale this up and create a system that makes you money on autopilot. Here's the secret sauce. Let AI do the grunt work. Use it to write your emails, your ads, your product descriptions, even your blog posts. Then you come in and add your own human touch. Edit it, refine it, make it your own. This should only take you a few minutes compared to the hours it would have taken you to do it all yourself. And here's the best part. As you start making more money, you can reinvest it back into your AI system. Get better tools, outsource some of the work, and watch your income grow exponentially. Here's my personal AI tool stack. ChatGPT for all my prompt engineering needs, Grammarly to make sure my writing is on point, and Canva for creating stunning graphics. With these 3 tools, you can literally automate your entire business. Alright, there you have it. The secrets to making money with prompt engineering. Now I want you to go out there and start testing these prompts for yourself. Screenshot your results and tag me at AMoneyLab. I can't wait to see what you create. And make sure you smash that like button and subscribe, because next week, I'm dropping the exact AI system I used to make $5,000 a month in passive income. You don't want to miss it. Now go out there and automate your rent, automate your coffee, automate your life. I believe in you.